Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a really quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to change your playback resolution in DaVinci Resolve. This will help if your timeline is stuttering to reduce the load on your CPU and GPU while not lowering the quality of your final project export. So no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. All right, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and I've got this half-hour long video I'm editing. It's quite clip heavy. It's all 4K 60 frames per second footage. And right now it's not too bad, but it can get laggy at times here in my playback. So let's show you how to turn on a different resolution in your playback if your computer's bogging down. So it's quite easy to turn on. Head up to Playback here at the top. And if you hover down, you're gonna see the option that says Timeline Playback Resolution. And currently that's set to full. So we're gonna turn that down to half. And now your computer isn't gonna use as many resources to play the video back as you're editing it. Now, if you want to go even further, if it's still laggy, you could go down to a quarter. So playback, timeline, playback resolution, and quarter. This will reduce the quality of what you see here on the screen, again, to a lower quality, again, using less system resources. And when you go to export your footage, it's not going to make a difference in your final output. It'll still export for myself, for example, in the 4K 60 frames per second. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.